This video will guide you through the basic setup of your Livella LU-AP3000 floor heating thermostat. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to set the clock, program weekday and weekend schedules, and how to independently operate an optional heated towel rail. Turning on the thermostat. First, make sure the thermostat is on. The thermostat is turned on or off by holding the power button. Setting the clock. Hold down Set 1 and Set 2 together for about a second to enter the programming mode. Notice that Monday through Sunday appears on screen. Use the arrows to set the hour. Then press Set 1. Use the arrows to set the minute. Then press Set 1. Use the arrows to set the current day. Hold down Set 1 and Set 2 to confirm. The thermostat is now in its normal operating mode. Setting the schedule. The LU-AP3000 features separate weekday and weekend schedules, each of which includes 4 programs. Programs 1 and 3 mark the start of the heating periods for when the room is occupied. Programs 2 and 4 mark the start of the standby periods for when the room is unoccupied. We'll begin by setting the weekday schedule. Press Set 1 to enter the programming mode. Monday through Friday will appear at the top of the screen. Press Set 1 again to continue. Now let's set the start time and target temperature for the first heating program. Use the arrows to set the hour. Then press Set 1. Use the arrows to set the minute. Then press Set 1. Use the arrows to set the target temperature. Then press Set 1. You can skip over any suitable default by pressing Set 1. We'll repeat these steps to set the start of the first standby program, Program 2, second heating program, Program 3, and then the final standby program for the day, Program 4. Now we'll repeat this process to set the 4 programs for the weekend schedule. Both the weekday and weekend schedules are now set. Manual operation. The LU-AP3000 features both a temporary and permanent manual override function. To temporarily override the current program, simply press Hold once so that Temporary is displayed on screen. Then use the arrows to set the target temperature. Wait a few seconds to confirm. The target temperature will be temporarily changed until the start of the next heating or standby period. Press Hold twice at any time to return to normal operation. To maintain a constant temperature, press Hold twice so that status is displayed on the screen. Then use the arrows to set the target temperature. Wait a few seconds to confirm. Press hold at any time to return to normal operation. Appliance Manager. The LUAP 3000 can independently manage a heated towel rail. The daily operating schedule features both a morning program, Program 1, and another for the evening, Program 2. Let's set the schedule. Press Set 2 to enter the programming mode. First, use the arrows to set the start hour for the morning program. Press Set 2 to continue. Next, use the arrows to set the start minute. Press Set 2 to continue. Use the arrows to set the end hour. Press Set 2 to continue. Finally, use the arrows to set the end minute. Press Set 2 to confirm. We'll repeat these steps to set the second evening program. The accessory schedule is now complete. Temporary appliance operation. The power button can be used to temporarily operate the connected heated towel rail. Notice that Auto appears when the towel rail is operating as scheduled, and that On is displayed when the towel rail is turned on manually. This concludes the basic setup of your thermostat. Please contact Livella with any other questions.